Good evening. So, we were the first ones to start classes on July 26th. So this is the first university day of the first university. Sir, we need young and dynamic leaders like you to lead the country. He is a great role model for you. You know, when I met him for the first time, I told him, both of us have something in common. We have really hard-working, tough bosses. His father and my father are really tough bosses. I don't know how the minister is surviving under our chief minister. I have attended our honorable chief minister's meeting twice. It is like attending a corporate board meeting. He asks questions left and right. So I really appreciate your patience and efficiency in working for such a great man, sir. You know, talking about our honorable chief minister, is a great visionary, transparent administration, fast approvals. No wonder Andhra Pradesh is #1 state in ease of doing business. So, you know, we take this opportunity to thank our honorable chief minister, our honorable minister, for the outstanding support they have been giving us in all kind of approvals. We want to be as close as possible to the industry. We want to produce industry-ready graduates. That's why we have the engineering clinics, we have the compulsory co-op program later coming up, the internship, a lot of guest lectures from industries, and curriculum is also framed by industries. So we want to be in tune with the industry. We have a lot of plans, aggressive plans, and thanks to Honorable CM, you know, we have very high targets to achieve in terms of number of students, etc. So we already have built these two buildings, the Sarvepalli Radhakrishna block and Sarojini Naidu block, and we are building the second academic block, AB2, which will be ready by June, and we have second men's hostel block coming up and ladies hostel block coming up. It's under construction. And apart from that, we have finalized the plan for one faculty quarters, another G+14 building, and then two more buildings are in design. The third men's hostel and this famous central block, everything is in plan. So, you know, I was just telling our honorable minister, the national bird of Amaravati is the crane. The tower crane you will see everywhere. That's the national bird of Amaravati. So let me close my speech with a quote from Jennifer Stockberger. If you believe in what you're doing, it's amazing how much you can accomplish.